In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide your recent game activity and game hours on Steam. If you'd like a little more privacy on your profile and don't want other users to see what you've been playing or how many hours you've spent in your games, Steam provides simple privacy settings that let you control exactly what others can view. In this guide, I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer. If it's not already running, launch it and wait for it to finish loading. Once the application opens, you'll need to sign in if you aren't already logged into your account. Click the Login button, usually located near the top right corner of the window, then enter your account name and password carefully. Double-check that everything is entered correctly before clicking Sign In to access your Steam account. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Steam homepage. From here, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile name. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View My Profile. This will take you to your public profile page, where you can manage how your account appears to other Steam users. Once your profile page loads, locate the Edit Profile button. It's typically displayed near your profile information and is easy to find. Click it to open the Profile Customization page, where you'll see a navigation menu along the left side containing several account and profile options. From that menu, select Privacy Settings. This section gives you control over who can view different parts of your Steam profile, making it the ideal place to adjust your account's visibility. Within the Privacy Settings page, look for the Game Details section. This setting determines whether other users can see the games you own, your recent game activity, and your playtime information. To hide your game hours, find the checkbox labeled Always Keep My Total Playtime Private even if users can see my game details and make sure it's enabled. With this option checked, your total playtime will remain hidden, even if your game library or game details are otherwise visible to others. And that's all there is to it. By making this simple adjustment, you've added an extra layer of privacy to your Steam profile while still maintaining control over what you choose to share with friends and the community. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helped. Happy gaming!